Sri Ganesha resides in Muladhara, on the chakra, Muladhara chakra,
Shri
and not on Muladhara. In the Muladhara is placed the Kundalini. She is the mother of Sri Ganesha.
Ana
We call her Gauri.
мы
Yesterday you saw the picture, the drama, how Sri Ganesha got his head of an elephant.
if
All these things have happened in another world. There are many worlds of which we know of this world. It is a question of our awareness.
воп-
Now we are at a human awareness,
сейчас
and we have risen to a higher awareness, which is called as the fourth dimension. Without Sri Ganesha, it's not possible. As you know, he is the symbol of innocence within us.
как вы
This innocence never gets destroyed because it is eternal.
потому
But it may happen that it will get covered with some clouds by our mistakes that we commit.
но
But once you get your realization, your innocence is re-established, manifests, and you become innocent.
и вы
Your attention becomes innocent.
ваш
It is impossible to follow your religion, either Christ or Muhammad Sahib or Jews, if you do not have enlightenment. This is one thing they did not realize because they were of a very high level people. They did not know what is the condition of human beings.
они
As in the Bible is written that if your right eye commits sins, means goes against Sri Ganesh, you take it away.
би-
Or if your right hand does anything wrong against Sri Ganesha, then cut it out.
и
Just imagine if Christians were really practicing Christianity, they all would have been without hands, without eyes. Because it is said that if you make any mistakes, you better cut out yourself. Christ said that you should do it, and also for men he was very strict, not for women so much. So Muhammad Sahib thought that why not say about women also?
поэтому
Why not restrict them? Why only men? So he made strict rules for women also.
поэт
In this case, he said that you should hurt the woman or hit the woman or should try to restrict the woman. That is on the husband.
и
But to do so, the husband himself has to be an innocent person. If he himself committed such mistakes, then what right he has got to become strict with his wife or with his sister? And the worst thing was for the Jews. When Moses brought the 10 Commandments, he found that the Jews were having a decadent society as they have now. Nowadays we have this decadent society in America, in everywhere. There are no morals. Nobody talks of morality. I feel that search is the only way where human beings can become innocent. Because Jews were given what you call the Shariat, where it was, if you are a thief, cut your hands, cut your nose, cut this portion, cut that. It's very serious. I saw that it is impossible to follow them because they are too pure, too important. If you are Christians, you can't have two eyes, you can't have your hands. If you are Muslims, your wives and your daughters and your sisters are always in danger. And if you are a Jew, then all kinds of punishments are written for them.
Yes.
On the contrary, only the saints have been punished.
No.
All the good people are punished. Because there are so many people who are extremely aggressive and sinful.
But
And they also do not know that is wrong with them, something very much against the dharma, against the religion. With such only you get the light of the spirit. Sri Ganesha is the spirit within us. And he incarnated on this earth as our Lord Jesus Christ. But all kinds of things have been done against such great people. They made separate religions. None of these books have separated themselves from each other. For example, Muhammad Sahib has described about Moses, Abraham, Moses, Christ, mother of Christ. So he never established another religion.
But
He was talking about all the religions,
On the-
woven together in one. But we have now people who do not believe that all the religions are born out of one tree of spirituality. They are not only fighting with others, but among themselves.
आणि
In the name of God, they are killing so many people. Innocence is the source of love. Like small children, when you see them sweetly dancing, you feel such tremendous love for them. When you see a little baby, very sweet baby, smiling at you, you feel tremendous love for that child.
когда
If you do not respect your innocence, you can never be loving person. And without love, you cannot know truth. Only thing is that we feel rather sometimes awkward, sometimes frightened to love the innocent people. The innocent are most harmless.